Good morning, dear students. Welcome to the class on Accounting 1. In my previous sessions, I have been explaining the basic important terms in accounting. I hope you have understood those basic important terms. Today, let us continue and understand the history or the art of recording the transactions and maintaining them, what is called as bookkeeping and accounting. So let us see what are these, their meaning, what are the features, how they are being followed, and all other allied aspects. So let us see, begin with the first one. So the first one is bookkeeping. The accounting subject and the accounting procedures all take its origination from bookkeeping. So when I do a business, I maintain a book which records all the transactions that happen, whether I purchase the goods, whether I sell the goods, or whatever expenses are being incurred, whatever incomes I am gaining, all these are being recorded in a book. So there is an art or a skill of maintaining these books. If I write all of this together, it will be difficult for me at the end of a day or at the end of a month to find out what is the total amount of expense or what is the total amount of income. I have to turn pages and pages to find out where are the expenses written, where are the incomes written, on which page are they. So it becomes very difficult and a tedious task to find out what are the expenses, what are the incomes, whom we have given money, who owe money to us. So there are various aspects which need to be recorded. So that is why this bookkeeping is an art of maintaining such a way that at any given point of time we are able to get the required information with the least effort. So let us see what are the definition, meaning and features of bookkeeping. So L.C. Cropper defines bookkeeping is the science of recording transaction in money or money's worth in such a manner that at any subsequent date their nature and effect may be clearly understood, and when required a combined statement of their result may be prepared. So the important points have been highlighted in the slide. You can understand that it is the science of recording transactions in money or money's worth. So point to be noted, science is to mean I am going to record it very systematically so that I am able to get the information readily whenever I want. The second point is money or money's worth. I cannot write any transaction. When I have to write something, I have to write which is quantifiable, which I can write in figures, which I can write in terms of money. Say, generally the best example given is appointment of a manager or an appointment of an employee. There is no money value given, only a letter of appointment is issued. So it does not amount to any business transaction. So those things will not be written. Say I receive an order. Just a receipt of order does not make business transaction. Only when I sell the goods against that order, then only it will be that is transaction, a business transaction where I can record it in terms of money. So continuing with the definition. The other point to be noted is at any subsequent date. So date has to be written so that I identify on which date the transaction has taken place. Their nature and effect may be clearly understood. So the nature, what is the nature of the transaction? Whether it was an income, whether it was an expense, whether actual cash is paid or received. And effect, what is the effect on our cash position or the financial position of the concern. And when required, a combined statement of their result may be prepared. So whenever required, generally at the end of one accounting period, we prepare the profit and loss statement and the balance sheet. But currently we have the help of technology, so lot of software is available. These statements will be already there in the system, and whenever we require, we can just take a printout of the same. So this is what is bookkeeping given as per LC Cropper. So let us see what are the features of bookkeeping. So the first very main point, as I have explained with the definition, recording only business transaction. So if I purchase a furniture, that is say I purchase a cupboard to my home, it does not amount to business transaction, as the cupboard is not coming into the business. It is going to my home, it is true for my personal use. So such transactions will not be recorded. Second, it is recorded in books of accounts. So there are different accounts, you are well aware of it. We have the main four classification of asset, liability, expense, income, and the personal accounts. So we will be recording in either of these accounts. Third important point is, or the feature is, recording in a systematic order, that is based on the principles and rules. So principles and rules, we have seen the various, we are yet to see it, but you are aware of those accounting concepts and conventions, the debit and the credit rule for the various accounts. So based on that, we are going to prepare the, that is, or write these books. The next important function of bookkeeping, it is identifying, measuring, recording, and posting. So the identifying, as we have seen, what it is, we identify the business transaction only. Second, we measure, that is record only items which are, that is in terms of money. That is what is measuring means. I measure every transaction in terms of money, because after all business is made for profit and money. Recording it, so I record it in the right books and post it into the right accounts. So these are the functions of bookkeeping, and ultimately the maintenance of books of accounts. So maintenance of books of accounts are, once they are written, the completed, they are stored, and they are stored for a specified duration as mentioned in the Companies Act and other law which are required. So this is all about the bookkeeping and its features. With other concepts of accounting, I shall continue in my next video.